Suprabhat, I am your science teacher. Today I am going to start the study of one more topic in order to cell organelles named ribosome. Student, you already know that ribosome is known as protein factory of the cell or also known as cell engine of the cell. Student, there are some fact-based points which you have to must remember. The first point is ribosome found in prokaryotes as well as in eukaryotes. We already know that what are prokaryotes in respective of their nucleus. So prokaryotes are those whose nucleus is not well developed. Generally bacteria and viruses come in this category. Now eukaryotes are well developed organism in respective of their nucleus. Their nucleus is well developed, that's why they are called eukaryotes. Student, ribosome absent in human RBCS. What is human RBCS, student? I already told you in yesterday videos, human RBCS is a kind of blood cells present in human blood. Ribosome is membraneless cell organelles. It does not have any membrane. Generally, membrane bound little structure of the cell or present in the cytoplasm are called cell organelles. But this is an exception case in ribosomes. In the case of ribosome, there is no membrane. There is a membraneless organelles. So ribosome is membraneless organelle. Student, ribosome found in mitochondria as well as in chloroplast means plastids. You can say plastid as well. Okay. So student, ribosome found in mitochondria and chloroplast means plastids. These are only two organelles which have their own genetic materials. That means they have own ribosome. Students, ribosome is the smallest cell organelles as well. Now we understand ultrastructure of ribosome. Student, what we find in the study of ultrastructure of ribosome? So you know already that ribosomes are very small, so they are not visible by the general microscope. So when we study under high power of microscope to ribosome, generally we found there are two type of ribosome are present in the cell. 70 S unit of ribosome and second ribosome is 80 S unit type of ribosome. So there are two type of ribosome may be present in the cell. 70 S unit of ribosome or 80 S unit of ribosome. 70 S and 80 S unit of ribosome is based on molecular mass. We differentiate to them on the base of molecular mass. Suppose a molecular weight of 70 S unit is 2.7 into 10 की power minus 6 Dalton. So there are two units of ribosome, 70 S unit of ribosome and 80 units of ribosome. Okay. Now understand location of ribosome in the cell. Ribosome present freely or attached to the RER. Student, ribosome may be freely or maybe they attach to the RER. What is RER? RER is rough endoplasmic reticulum. So they may be freely with the RER or they may be attached with the RER. Ribosome present in the cytoplasm as well as in the nucleus, inside the nucleus. Okay, RER present in the cytoplasm at that time, ribosome present in the cytoplasm, but it also present inside the nucleus where it is called nucleolus. And student, nucleolus is a part of nucleus. This we will study in the nucleus. Now understand the chemical composition of ribosome. There are two different type of ribosome. 70 S unit type of ribosome. It is composed with 60% RNA, 40% protein. While the 80 S unit of ribosome, 40% RNA plus 60% protein. Actually this RNA is rRNA. Okay, rRNA. This is 80, not 8. This is 80 S unit of ribosome. Now move on to the study of function of ribosome. So function of ribosome is protein synthesis. Hence ribosome is site of protein synthesis for the cell. So have you got what is the main function of ribosome? Main function of ribosome is the synthesis of protein for the cell. Okay. Now we study one more cell organelles named endoplasmic reticulum, or it is also called ER. ER is a large network of membrane-bound tubes and sheets, look like long tubules or round vesicles. There are two types of ER. Student, there are two types of ER, RER and SER. RER stand for rough endoplasmic reticulum and SER stand for smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In detail we study RER and SER. RER consists of cisternae. There are tube-like structure, students. There are tube-like structure. On which ribosomes are attached. I already told you ribosomes may be freely or may be attached with endoplasmic reticulums. When it is attached with endoplasmic reticulum is called RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, due to attachment of ribosome on its surface. So these cisternae are mainly consist RER. RER mainly consists of cisternae. These are cisternae structure. These tube-like structure are called cisternae. Student, SER mainly consists of vesicle. Vesicle are round bulge structure. Round bulge structure which are freely from ribosome are called vesicle. So these are called vesicle. Now smooth endoplasmic reticulum also have this type of structure, and these structure are called tubules. These are called tubules. So vesicle and tubules mainly compose to smooth endoplasmic reticulum means SER, because SER freely from ribosome. RER is rough because ribosome attached to it by the help of riboporine. Student, riboporine is a kind of protein with the help of ribosome attached to the ER, endoplasmic reticulum. These ribosome associated with the synthesis of protein. Basically, RER responsible for the synthesis of protein, not SER, and secretory activities. So student, this type of ribosome generally found in such kind of cells where secretory activities is carrying out and in which synthesis of protein takes place. Example, pancreatic cells, plasma cell, fibroblast. Pancreatic cell is a cell of pancreas, plasma cell is a kind of cell of bloods, fibroblast is a kind of cell bone and muscles. RER is consist of cisternae. Basically, RER is consist of cisternae. We have already looked at the structure of cisternae on which ribosomes are attached. In nerve cell, RER form Nissl granule. In nerve cell, RER form Nissl granule. Nissl granule you will see in the structure of nerve cell. RER provide enzyme to Golgi body apparatus for the formation of lysosome. So lysosome directly form from the Golgi body, but enzymes produced by the RER which precursor for the Golgi body to responsible for the formation of lysosome. SER is smooth. Smooth because ribosomes are not attached with it. SER found in those cells which storage of glycogen and fats takes place. Example, liver cell, muscle cell and adipose cell. SER consists mainly from vesicles and tubules, and vesicle and tubules we have looked in the previous diagram. They are free from ribosomes. Vesicles are round bulge structure and tubes are tube-like structure. SER help in the synthesis of lipids, breakdown not only breakdown of glycogen, also its storage the glycogen. It help in many poisonous drugs, in help in detoxing. Here you will have to write in help in detoxing of many poisons drugs. General function of ER act as a cycloskeleton for the cytoplasm. This is general structure of both kind of ER which act as a cycloskeleton for the cytoplasm. Bone is a skeleton form of our bodies. In the same way, endoplasmic reticulum act as a cytoskeleton for the cytoplasm. ER also help in transport of substances between the nucleus of cytoplasm and cytoplasm to nucleus. That means you can say vice versa. This is nucleus of the cell and cytoplasm to nucleus and nucleus to cytoplasm.